Today, I really want to thank him on behalf of the whole MSC Cruises team for his confidence. Thank you. Being a private, family-owned company allows us to focus solely on the long run. That is exactly what we've been doing all along. And this is what has brought us here. In North America, we will apply the same logic. We will focus on the long-term growth, building long-lasting partnerships. Of course, we will have to invest in the brand, to becoming even more visible in the eyes of the consumers. And of course, even more important, in our partners. There are many people tonight here that represent those partners, and there are many people here tonight that I would like to thank, whom I have to thank. Without them, we would not be here. But two persons especially that I would like to thank personally, Mayor Gimenez, of course, the Mayor of Miami. Thank you for having come to Fincantieri all the way to Trieste to see the condo being built directly in the yard. Thank you very much for hosting us. Another person very important to me, very dear, now has become a great friend, Jan Kurila from Port of Miami. Thank you very much, Jan. Juan, without you, we wouldn't have made all this possible. Of course, many more. All the people, partner, institution, many of you here tonight that have helped us call Miami home. Also a special thank, I must give it because he told me before I walked into the stage, he said, remember to thank Fincantieri, the shipyard who built this ship. We did together an incredible job. And of course, I would like to thank the more important, the nearly 20,000 people who work with us every day, the people at the shipyards, who we partner to develop and build such innovative ships. And of course, our travel agent and partners. We are right here together. We will continue to walk into the future together. Finally, we have many guests. We have a great show for you here tonight. And I would like to special thanks to Maestro Andrea Brocelli and his wife Veronica that are here with us. It's a great honor. Later on, we will announce a very important initiative together. And of course, I have to express my greatest gratitude to our godmother, Sophia Loren, the diva, the only one. We are maritime people. She cut the first ribbon in 2003 of MSC Lyrica, and since then she's got to cut all the ribbons. And the bottle must break. So that's how it's got to work. Sophia, this is the 12th MSC cruise ships. There is, as you heard, 11 more to come. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not just any cruise line. This is MSC. And this is who we are, the master of the sea. Thank you so much. Enjoy the evening.
Big round of applause for Mr. Vago. Thank you, sir. That was awesome. Well, Miami obviously is a very beautiful city, great culture, energetic attitude, and MSC Cruises is grateful to be welcomed so warmly by this great city. And Miami-Dade County, home of Port Miami, is the cruise capital of the entire world and a leading cargo gateway to the Americas. MSC has called Port Miami and Miami-Dade County a partner for a very long time now. And they're excited to expand that partnership further with MSC Cruises and MSC Seaside. It's now my pleasure to welcome to the stage Carlos A. Jimenez, Mayor of Miami-Dade County.
Good evening, everybody. How's everybody doing tonight? Ready to have a good time? I think I am. I know I am. I'd like to thank Pier Francesco Vago, Gianni Onorato, Roberto Fusaro, Rick Gatsasso, Alan Clifford, everyone at MSC, and of course the Aponte family for having me here tonight and having us all here tonight. I'm very happy to be back at Port Miami to celebrate MSC Cruises. I would be remiss if I also didn't recognize somebody that's in the audience. Is the chairwoman of the Port Committee, Rebecca Sosa, is with us here tonight. And without her, a lot of this would not have happened. We've already recognized Juan Curilla, who I think is the greatest port director in the country, the port director of Port Miami. And since I'm a pretty smart guy, I also want to recognize the First Lady of Miami-Dade County, my beautiful wife, Lourdes. She's here too. 2 weeks ago, I was here cutting the ribbon on a beautiful new Terminal F, and you can see all the construction that's happening here at Port Miami as we continue to grow not only our cruise business but our cargo business. Today we're gathered obviously to inaugurate the MSC Seaside, another in the line of the many cruise ships that make Port Miami home, a cruise ship that solidifies Port Miami as the cruise capital of the world, and I think that deserves a round of applause. You know, as Pier Francesco was saying, I had the opportunity to go to Trieste back in the summer and watch and tour this ship as it's going under construction. I would have bet my house back in June that they would have never had it completed by December. I don't know how you do it. I need you to come and do things at my house because it takes forever to get things done. But it's amazing. It was an amazing tour. I also want to thank MSC for its unbelievable hospitality and the way that you received us. And again, it was a really fascinating thing to see how one of these ships is built. You could tell even then that it was going to be something special. And now that I see it, it really is something special. The Seaside will be the first of 3 all-new cruise ships that will call Port Miami their home. And I'd like to thank MSC Cruises for choosing to expand their business here in Miami and Miami-Dade County. Thank you so much for believing in us. We believe in you. This marks the start of MSC's North American expansion. We're honored and thrilled that you home ported here, that your home port in the United States is Port Miami. Our seaport contributes billions of dollars every year to the local economy, over $40 billion actually. It's the #2 economic generator in Miami-Dade County and the South Florida area. It directly or indirectly is responsible for over 300,000 jobs here in this area. That's how important this port is. That's how important it is for us to maintain our mark as the cruise capital of the world. And we are increasing our cargo capacity. We are increasing our cargo traffic also, and hopefully MSC will also help us on the cargo side. We look forward to further cooperation with MSC on the cargo side. You know, the port had a tremendous year in 2017. We've broken records in on cargo, but we've also broken records in cruise passengers. I am sure with the addition of this beautiful new cruise ship, 2018 will be another record-breaking year for Port Miami, which is really good news for the people of Miami-Dade County. As I said, every time we have a new cruise ship, every time we add more cargo, it means more and more good, high-paying jobs for the people of Miami-Dade County. And that's why Miami-Dade County invests so heavily in both the airport and, as importantly, the seaport, because they are the two leading economic generators of this county, and hundreds of thousands of people's lives and well-being depend on the competitiveness and the viability of these two ports. And so for me, it's a pleasure to be here. I haven't gone inside yet. I can't wait to see, you know, the finished product. And I know that all of you are also excited to be here and step aboard this beautiful, beautiful new cruise ship, the beginning of, I hope, a long line of cruise ships that will call Port Miami home. For everybody here, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, a very prosperous New Year. May God bless you all.
I can't stop this. benedictus fructus fructus ventris tui, Iesus. Ave
Thank you very much. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious here that grace appeared. They are my first belief. Yeah, when this flesh and heart shall fail, and mortal life shall cease, I shall possess within the veil a life of joy and peace. Amazing grace, how sweet
Beautiful performance. Thank you so much, Maestro Andre Bocelli and the Voices of Haiti Choir for being here and sharing your talent with us. That was awesome. Yes. Now, Voices of Haiti is one of Maestro Bocelli's latest community projects, providing educational and cultural opportunities for children aged 9 through 15 from vulnerable communities in Haiti. Since 2016, they've been bringing beauty here on stage, like you've just witnessed, all over the world. They've been doing this all over the world, and MSC Cruises would like to take this opportunity to further introduce you to Voices of Haiti and the Andrea Bocelli Foundation's phenomenal work that they do. And to do so, please join me in welcoming once again Mr. Pier Francesco Vago back to our stage.
Well, we are a corporation with a social responsibility. We've been working many years throughout our fleet with UNICEF, with many projects around the world. Of course, Seaside was designed for the Caribbean. We've been having problems, hurricanes, weather problems in the Caribbean. And then I met this incredible person, Andrea, who became a friend. He told me about the Bocelli Foundation. He told me what he was doing with Haiti. Haiti is one of the poorest countries in the world. Then I spoke to Veronica. Veronica, she's got a passion. She's a volcano. And I said, of course, we must do something together. So MSC Seaside will actually run the Bocelli Foundation charity for the many years to come. So that is what we're doing.
Thank you very much. It's thank you very much. It's an incredible emotion to sing with these wonderful, wonderful children, and I wish to sing with them for a long time. Thank you very much.
Veronica, maybe we launch the video, okay? So that will be, of course, aired on board of our ships. Yeah.
Haiti is one of the poorest countries in the world. There is little infrastructure, sewers, clean water, and electricity. The Andrea Bocelli Foundation is bringing hope home to Haiti with a systematic program. Funding schools, transforming them into centers of the community, supporting healthcare, taking the voices of Haiti worldwide. With music that has the power to change lives.
I've been very lucky in my life, receiving so much love through my performances. The foundation aims to spread that love, and especially here in Haiti. With you, we can help these beautiful children achieve their full potential.
We all know that the children are the future and deserve the best. Please join us in nourishing their lives and hopes. Even a small donation can help us make a big difference. With you, we can do it. Let's do it together.
Con te partirò.
Every dollar you donate goes entirely and directly to the foundation, making a concrete difference through this program. Help bring new hope to Haiti.
Maestro Bocelli.
Thank you very much, and thank you also to the family, Ponte family, because it's a great emotion. We saw before the video the description of the building of this beautiful boat, and it's an incredible experience to be here. So thank you very much.
Ci vediamo dopo.
Thank you, Mr. Vago, and Maestro Bocelli, for all that you and your wonderful organization have done for all the children of Haiti and for all the wonderful work around the world, for that matter. Beyond the work that MSC Cruises does to help make our world a better place, there's a great vision and leadership that actually goes on behind the scenes. To share more about this vision and the future of MSC Cruises, it is now my pleasure to invite Gianni Onorato, CEO of MSC Cruises, to the stage.